Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nubia Redmagic 6R device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up Nubia share on this phone. Okay, firstly, unlock your device and open the control panel. Then just scroll it up, drag the control panel down, and here you will see your Nubia share. Just click and hold on it, wait a while, and great. Now just click use Nubia share to enable Nubia share, and now try to set up it. Here you can change your device name, here you can change device visibility mode. For example, you can choose hidden mode. Using this mode you will be hidden to others. You can be visible for contacts only, or you can be visible for everyone. So I suggest to use everyone mode, because contacts mode works bad. So I suggest to use everyone mode when you want to receive everything. If you want to receive file from your friend and you are in contacts of this man, so and if your friend doesn't see you in his Nubia share mode, just enable everyone mode and all will be great. So cool. Then change your data usage mode. You can use without internet mode. This mode will use only for Bluetooth. You can use only Wi-Fi mode and data mode. Data mode includes Wi-Fi, mobile internet and Bluetooth. So it's the best mode. And that's it. Now you can share data and to receive data using Nubia share. If you want to share something, just open the image you want to share. For example, this image, click share, then Nubia share, click allow, and here you will see devices with enabled Nubia share feature. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.